There are millions of pieces of junk flying above your head right now, at speeds faster than a bullet. And if we don't fix it soon, we could lose satellites, GPS, even the internet. This is the growing danger of space debris, and it's getting worse. Space debris, also called space junk, includes dead satellites, broken rocket parts, tiny fragments from explosions and collisions. Organizations like NASA track over 27,000 pieces of debris, but millions of smaller ones are too tiny to track, and even a paint chip can be deadly in space. Objects in orbit travel at around 28,000 kilometers per hour. At that speed, a small fragment can destroy a satellite. A collision can create thousands more fragments. This leads to something called the Kessler Syndrome, a chain reaction where collisions create more debris, causing even more collisions. Donald J. Kessler first warned about this decades ago, and now it's becoming real. This isn't just a space problem. Satellites power, GPS, navigation, weather forecasts, internet and communication, banking systems. If debris destroys enough satellites, it could cause massive disruptions on Earth. Imagine, no Google Maps, no live weather tracking, slower or broken internet. Yeah, it's serious. Space is more crowded than ever. Companies like SpaceX are launching thousands of satellites like Starlink. More satellites equals more risk. Plus, old satellites aren't always removed. Collisions keep adding new debris. We're basically turning Earth's orbit into a junkyard. Good news, people are working on solutions. Clean up satellites that capture debris, nets, harpoons, even lasers. Yes, really. Designing satellites that burn up safely. Space agencies like European Space Agency are already testing debris removal missions, but it's expensive and complicated. So the next time you use GPS or send a message, remember, it all depends on a fragile system orbiting above us, and if we don't clean up space, we might lose access to it. Like what you saw? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video.